Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some Guinness sponge. Yes, I already have a video on my channel on how I made my Guinness sponge, but that's over 2 years ago. So I said I want to do a new video for you guys. So first I'm gonna start off by showing you guys my ingredients. So this is my Nurishment. It's just like supplement, okay? Make sure you get the vanilla flavor. Yes, and I'm gonna use 2 of those, and that's my Guinness right here, and this is 600 ml, but I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. Here I also have 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and just half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And I'm also gonna add some condensed milk, and that's half cup. That's it right there. So now I'm just gonna pour my Nurishment in my bowl right here. I love Guinness sponge, but it's not something that I drink all the time. Yes, occasionally. Then I'm gonna add my Guinness, and as I said, I'm not gonna use all of it. That's it. So as you can see right here, this is the amount that left. Not a lot, I use most of it, but I leave back some. And now I'm gonna add my condensed milk. Just want to stir it. Also gonna add my vanilla, my nutmeg. I love nutmeg in my Guinness sponge. You give it such a nice flavor. You just want to mix it so everything will all combine. And some cinnamon powder, as I said, but make sure you don't use a lot, at least half teaspoon, because you know cinnamon powder is very strong. Let me push up this. And you know guys, I did say I'm not going to use all of my Guinness. I'm gonna end up use everything, okay? So I'm just gonna end up adding all of it. And you can always taste it to your liking. Look at that. See that? I'm telling you. Full of so much flavor. That's the color that you want it to be. You don't want it to look too white. You see my flowers? It matched my nails. I'm trying to pretty up things around here. Oh gosh. I love flowers. So you want to just continue to mix it And sometimes if you have a bottle, you can just put it in a bottle, then you just shake it up really hard. Yeah. Well, that's perfect. So now I'm just gonna add my Guinness sponge to my jug, my glass jug. Made a little mess. Let me wipe it. Then I have my ice. Gonna add some ice to my glass. Trust me, you guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, you're gonna love it. It is so good. I'm gonna add some more of my ice to my smaller glass. So now I'm just adding my Guinness sponge to my glass, and guys, just look on it. It looks so rich, so flavorful, so nice, so refreshing. This recipe is a must try. Trust me, you guys are gonna enjoy it. It looks super good. I'm just gonna show you guys something else that you can do with your Guinness sponge. So I'm just gonna pour some of my Guinness sponge in one of my other glass, but don't fill it up, okay? Then I'm gonna take my whipped cream. This is something that I do at times, because trust me, it goes perfectly with it, especially if you want something different. Yes. So I'm just gonna pour. See that? Oops. I hope you guys can see it properly. Then when I'm finished, I'm just gonna add some of my nutmeg, just sprinkle it on top. This right here is really good. Try it, okay? Especially if you're looking for something different. I just decorate it with some cinnamon stick and some nutmeg. Guys, please share this video to all of your families, your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And if you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? So guys, just before I go, I'm just gonna taste some of my Guinness sponge, and I'm telling you, it was so good. Full of so much flavor, nice, rich, flavorful. Oh my gosh. You could taste the nutmeg, the vanilla, the cinnamon powder. Trust me, this recipe is a must try. Please try it. Your family, your friend, everyone are gonna love it. Trust me, it's sell off. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, stay blessed, love ya.